video. So today is just going to be a quick video about the maintenance of this car and also the intakes that I've had installed. These are the stock intakes, which are pretty huge actually, but these they pick up hot air from inside. But these new ones I've had installed, actually NVM have installed them for me. These ones get the cold air from the outside of the car, so it pushes in the, obviously when you're driving, the cold air is taken straight from here and it's gone straight into the turbo, so you do get that great sound, the turbo sound, and also it just gives you about extra 10 bhp, so I need all the bhps I can get. So at Detail Central now, just finished up with a crazy wash. So what did we actually get done today? I got Kasim here with me, so
how are you doing, guys? Today Sonny's just had the maintenance wash.
You say guys, I've only got about 28 subscribers, so
oh, come on, man.
Okay, go on.
Yeah, we just had the maintenance wash today using a 3-bucket method, and then after.
So you guys don't use? I thought it was 2. So you guys don't use 2?
No, we use 3.
Oh, really? Yeah, okay. They got the extra bucket in there.
extra mile, isn't it? Right. So we've done that, and then we've dried it using our drying with the master blaster, with the drying of the hot air, and then after we've done that, we've sealed it with the Canuba wax, which will protect it from water sitting on it, any other tree sap or anything.
I have taken it to a few other, the normal places, but there's only 2 people that actually touch this car. Is Prominence Detailing, he's awesome, check him out, he's an old breed, and obviously Detail Central as well. I think a lot of people actually scratch it, don't they? Like, yeah, I've had that before. I've been told that they use the old mitts which scratch the car, so you have to definitely be very careful about that as well. What do you think?
Yeah, definitely. I mean, being satin, it's more prone to being scratched.
Yeah.
With Tesco, you said you took it to Tesco.
Yeah.
That just says it all, doesn't it?
Yeah. I think it's just the convenience, isn't it? That quick in and out, and it just makes life easy. You go do your shopping, but obviously if you care for your car, like
exactly. And I know you do, but it's just probably one of them for convenience reasons.
I was going to show you around the little bits and bobs that I've had done since the last video. So obviously you can see the intakes that I've installed. Let me just flip the camera around. Okay, you can see these are the new intakes that I've got installed here. NVM did a great job actually with these intakes. So these are getting the cold air from the outside rather than inside. They're normally housed inside the car, inside the bonnet, so that they get the hot air. If you place them outside, you are getting the fresh cold air. It does add about 10 bhp extra, and that is definitely noticeable. So we'll go for a little blast to see the type of sounds you get. Actually, you might be just do it in here, isn't it? The light, this quite quiet in here, but yeah, let's start it up. Crazy. So the intake, so you can't really obviously hear them from the back, but I'll go to the front. You can give it a few revs and you can hear it.